This is Zephyr Cove of Lake Tahoe. Ang problema nito, walang dadaanan. Halika na. Trees. Magandang tumira dito ah. Yung lab. Nice to stay here, you know? Oh, di ba? Oh? With all the trees and so on. Di ba? We're walking down the Zephyr Cove. Ha? Ganda. Oh. Cottages dito, oh. Oh. 'Di ba? Ito yung mga dream na ano ko dar, 'di ba? Oh. Gidi. This is Lake Tahoe. Picnic. Zephyr Cove, Lake Tahoe. The lake. Okay, this is our room at the Marriott Timber Lodge. Yung ano kaya? Yung message yun. Okay, as we go in. Yan ang ano, the room, the bed, king size yan. Maraming ano yan, maraming gusto-gusto yung mami, maraming pillow. Wow, couch. And it costs only $120 a day, I think. Boom. Okay. Ayan, may internet access. At saka of course, dala ko yung ano mo yun, may iPad, speaker with Music Maestro. TV. Okay, okay. Hindi lang ko na ipapakita yung toilet, pare-pare. This is the area of Marriott Timber Lodge. We are now walking. Yun ang maganda dito because it is beside the Heavenly Gondola. Pero as I will show you, nakahinto lahat ang mga gondola. Walang gumagalaw because it is off-season. So wala, nakahinto. Sayang. Okay. Okay, dito. Ayan. O see? Nakahinto lahat ng mga gondola. Yan. 1, 2. Hindi, kita yan. Wherever, ano, kita yan. You can see the gondolas there. Nakahinto lahat. Wow, sayang. Okay. I'm moving. This is now the shopping center in the Heavenly Gondola. Yan, naku, dyan sana kami sasakay. Parang kitang-kita ko na. Yan, kitang-kita mo na ba yan? Wow, sayang. Goldstone Creamery. Ice cream yan. Walang tao. Wolfgang Puck Express. Close. Naku, puro close na naman ang labanan dito. Ganda ang gondola. Punta tayo dito. Why is it closed?
Why did you get it clean up? Because you're not listening. Right? Were you very naughty?
This is the lodge that we're staying. This is the Alpine Lodge. Yan.
Part of Mario.
Part of the Marriott Timber Lodge. Then we are going, this is another lodge, pero gusto kong makita that fire there. You see that fire there? So we're going there. Fire and ice. Buti na lang, marami akong biniling baterya ito. I am walking and watching the same time. Magandang pumunta ito pag December, palagay ko. I don't want to mangangatog daw, sabi ni Mami. Wow, fire and ice. That's the fire and ice. See? Fire and ice. Hello there.
Why is it full? Mommy, people not both of you. Everybody sits around and enjoys the heat, baby.
This must be a bar. These are the heavenly shops. Heavenly Gondola. Ito yung shopping mall ng Heavenly Gondola. You have the Goldstone Creamery. I don't know what that is. Of course, Cinnabon. Kilala nyo yan. So, let's see what's inside here. A creamery, ice cream. Okay, milk and cookies. Okay. We have Cinnabon. World famous cinnamon rolls. Okay. As you can see, yan yung gondola. Yan. That's the station, gondola station. Mas mahusay pa ako maganito. Yan. Yan, yun ang Marriott Timber Lodge. That's where we're staying. Oh. Tabing-tabi ng gondola talaga yan. Oh. Yun. Doon kami. See, as you watch over here, oh, I'm turning around my video. You can see that's the gondola station just across that one. That's gondola. Okay, now we're moving again. Buti na lang sarado na. Hindi makashopping si Mami dyan. He's trying to force the door open. Hindi makashopping. It's buti na lang. Close na. Buti na lang. They close early here. Salamat. Now we're going down the stairs. I have to buy batteries tomorrow. Yan, buti na lang sarado mga shops. Oh, open ito. Bukas. I'll buy some battery. Oops, sarado. Oh, that's the